Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives on Android 14 smartphones. And to do this, let's open a Google Play Store. Here in the top, enter RAR. It's RAR. Hit the search button, install this app. When it's ready, click on the open, allow to access and manage all files, and go back. Here, allow to send notifications and dismiss this one. Now the app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.